Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Halimah and I'm back with another video. This is a makeup video, my everyday makeup look. This is what I wear when I'm going out on a normal day and I feel like wearing makeup. This makeup do not take hours, does not take like 1 hour, 2 hours. It's just a very simple makeup, but it's going to be looking good. So yeah, so let's get to it. I always start by cleaning my face to remove any dirt or stains on my face, and I'm using my Angel baby wipes to clean my face. And as you can see, there's actually a stain on my face. And before drawing my brows, I like to moisturize my face using my Cetaphil moisturizer, which I make sure blends into my skin thoroughly. And it's a very good moisturizer actually, so you can try it out if you've not tried it before. Yeah, so I blend it into my skin very well and very well. To draw my brows, I'll usually like to use the Davis eye pencil to draw my brows in color 3. Davis eye pencil in color 3 to draw my brows. And yeah, that's basically how I do it. I usually start my brows, which I already did off camera, because if I'm to do my brows on camera, oh my god, I'm going to take like longer than expected, because my brows are not carved. I don't like to carve my brows because they don't grow fast. So if I carve my brows, I do not just like to carve my brows because I don't like it. Let me just be honest, I don't like it. So yeah, so I already did my brows off camera and I already moisturized my face off camera. So the next step I'm going to be going with is my eyeshadow. To start my eyeshadow, I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. On my eyelid, I apply a little concealer on my eyelid and I blend into my eye very well, just to set it well for my eyeshadow, and blend it with my brush. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette for my transition color. And I'm using color purple, a very light purple, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'm using color purple. Now I'm going to use my classic eyeshadow primer to cut my crease. So basically, after cutting my crease, which I already did, and I think I made a mistake, I'm going to be going in with this, my eyeshadow palette, this, and I'm going to be pasting it on the crease. I was thinking of doing a double cut crease before, because sometimes when I feel like doing something extra, that's what I do it. But I'm just going to be pasting just a shimmery color. I apply a matte color from my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, color orange. Yes, that's what I used. I'm just thinking I should cut the inner corner just a little bit and add something, but because I have a small eye, I think I'll just leave it like this and just blend my crease. And I blend in my transition color together with the color orange, which I applied on my eyelid. I'm going to blend it together just so there won't be any partitioning or anything. I apply a little milk of magnesia, which I use as a primer on my face, and I make sure it is well blended in before going in with my other primer. Before going in with my other primer, and I use Pond's. Yes, I use Pond's. A lot of primer, yeah. But I shall make sure that everything is well blended in. I continue to blend. Blending is actually key. You have to blend. I'm not even a pro at blending, and I still need to work on my blending skills. Then I go in with my concealer to highlight my face. Highlight my face first before my foundation actually. I use my beauty blender to blend out this concealer that I applied. I used to apply to highlight my face rather before I go in to apply my foundation. Yes, so I make sure I blend it again. Like I said before, blending is key. That's what everybody says. So blending is key. Blending is actually key. Then I use two foundations. I use Blossom and I use Fair Up foundation. I mix the two and I apply only a little amount on my face. Then I blend in again. After making sure the foundation is well blended in, I just use a little amount because I don't want my face to be looking all big and all. So I'm going to set my face. So yeah, this is me setting the places I highlighted previously with my concealer. Then I highlight everywhere. I actually set everywhere I highlighted with my concealer just to make it sit in. Then while my face is setting in, I go to continue my eye work. Then I start by lining my under eye with my black eye pencil. I do not wear lashes, but because of this, for the sake of this video, I'm going to put on my lashes. Then I go in to fix on my lashes. Usually I do not fix lashes on a normal day. I only fix lashes when I'm going for like O&B or something. So, but I'm going to fix lashes for the sake of this video, like I said before. Yes, so this is me fixing my lashes. And so after I'm done with that, and I'm sure that everything has stayed. After I finish the entire eye work, the whole eye work, I will go ahead by removing the excess setting powder from my face by blending it out with my normal face powder before going in with my setting spray to set my entire face here. So now it's time for the lips, and I first try to clean off my lips because there might be foundation there might be little foundation on my lips, so I try to remove it out before lining my lips. And before doing my actual lips, I try to use a lip gloss as a primer to just prime my lips in case it's dried or something. I just try to prime my lips. And while priming my lips, I make sure it's just a little gloss I use, not too much gloss, so it won't affect the actual lips I want to use. So I'm going to go in with my Kiss Beauty lip gloss lip stain, yes, to do my lips. So I'm going to apply a little bit of one color there, and just that is all I did. Yeah. I actually thought my camera was recording, but it stopped recording. So some parts I'm missing, like where I applied my bronzer, yes, and where I used the setting spray again. Yeah guys, so this is the look. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. So guys, this is the final look of the makeup. Yes. So I just did something like this. I wanted to like style my scarf to like hold it a little bit. Something say like this, but I could not get a bigger scarf because I'm too lazy to go through my scarf, to go through all my scarf. So I just had to just pick a very easy color black. It's just, yes, and I have a little piercing here, my nose piercing, which I find very funny and at the same time very cute. Yeah, so thank you for watching my video. If you got to this point, I want to say a very big thank you and thank you and thank you. That's just what I have to say. God, I'm just saying rubbish. Thank you for watching my video up to this point, and may God bless you. Yeah, so we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, let me know what you think about this look. Is there anything I should add? Is there anything I should remove? Yeah.